TuneTrack EasyDrummer 3 full version takes drum production to a whole new level. It was designed to erase any technical barrier between you and your creativity and introduces several groundbreaking features for quick and easy songwriting. Guitarist looking for a drummer? With EasyDrummer 3, you're done looking. In this video, our very own Rick Currents lays down the 3 main reasons why you need the #1 drum production tool on the planet. Find your groove. Tap or record your rhythm to find a matching groove. Search by filters or browse the traditional way in the conveniently laid out MIDI browser. Talk to your drummer. Use the power hand to instantaneously change the leading instrument or the amount or velocity knobs to control the complexity and velocity in your selected groove, while it's playing. Turn it into a song. In EasyDrummer 3, you can go from initial rhythmic idea to finished, mixed and customized drum track without ever leaving the program.